Unit 7B review, number 11. In the right triangle XYZ, the hypotenuse XY has a length of 68, and the shorter leg XZ has a length of 32. Find the length of YZ. We'll use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of YZ. If you need to, draw a picture and label the parts that were given. It's a right triangle XYZ. The hypotenuse is XY. It has a length of 68. The shorter leg XZ, I did not draw a picture, mine is longer, but that's okay. XZ, it's just not drawn to scale, has a length of 32. Just know that this is supposed to be longer in your drawing. We're finding the length of YZ using the Pythagorean theorem. If we know two sides of the right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. The hypotenuse always has to be C. It does not matter A and B which one's which, so I'm going to let A be the side for Z, Y. We know 32 and we know 68. Plug them into the Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 32 squared from 68 squared. Therefore, the calculator can calculate all of that at once. 68 squared minus 32 squared gives us 3,600. However, we need to solve for A, so we'll do that by taking the square root, because squaring and square root cancel. That will get A by itself. So second square root of the 3,600 gives you 60. So side ZY, or they called it YZ, equals 60. Number 12. Determine if 20, 12, and 16 is a Pythagorean triple. In order to be a Pythagorean triple, it must satisfy the equation of Pythagorean theorem. Notice 20 is the largest number. So therefore, it must be the hypotenuse of the triangle if it works as a Pythagorean triple. The A and B do not matter the order that they go in. So I'm going to let the smallest number, 12, be my A, and then 16 be my B. The largest number has to go in for your C. And then see if that works. 12 squared plus 16 squared, all of that gives you 400. $20 squared is also 400. So we can say yes, this is a Pythagorean triple. Number 13. Determine if 15, 41, and 37 is a Pythagorean triple. Again, we must use the largest number as our hypotenuse. The other two numbers won't matter if you put them in as A or B. I'm going to put the smallest one as my A, and then the next one as our B. But it would not matter the order of those numbers. The largest number does have to be C in order for it to work out as Pythagorean triple. 15 squared plus 37 squared is 1,594. $41 squared is 1,681. So these numbers do not work as a Pythagorean triple.